morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children, all of you. Good morning, Emma. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Emma. Ritvik, did you come to Wednesday class?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
Morning, ma'am.
We started the new lesson, ma'am. The
Yes,
desert.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
You attend the class, ma'am.
Yes. I only forgot.
Ma'am, the desert lesson.
Yes, dessert. We'll do the same. You just take your books.
Ma'am, I submitted my desert lesson. Ma'am, even I too submitted my project, ma'am.
Yes. 1 second, children. Jayan.
Jayan,
Even though we are shouting, Jayant is not listening. Jayant, rejoin again.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
What he is doing?
Jayant, your voice is like a robot.
Yes, I'll share my screen.
voice is breaking.
Yes, okay.
Ma'am, I submitted my project in MCB, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Till 18th date is there. You please submit and after that I'll take correction.
Ma'am, today is only 18th, ma'am.
Yes, today night. You don't know Ritvik. 11 o'clock also students they'll be submitting. Once
Ma'am,
what
one day
happened, last project, I gave some day. For example, if I gave 18th night, 8:30 to 9 between, I just corrected all the papers. And next day morning, I gave the result. They are saying we submitted. You didn't give me, ma'am, my result. I went back and seen they have submitted at 11 o'clock and asking me. They submit 11 or 12 also. After 12 only we have to check that. So that I don't.
One time in Telugu class,
It is
I
so
submitted
comedy.
my work at
Ma'am,
11
now my
PM
voice
at
is
the
okay?
PM, ma'am.
Okay, ma Jayant. Okay. Yes, ma'am. Student.
Ma'am, there are three types of projects. Sorry, there are three
Deserts.
types of deserts: hot desert, temperate desert, and cold. Ma'am, when you check our projects?
Temperate desert.
Today is the last date, Amma. Tomorrow I'll check.
Ma'am, tomorrow is the last date, 19th.
I gave 19th, 18th.
Ma'am, 19th.
19th. If it is 19th, I have to correct on 20th.
Ma'am,
Yes. Till now we have done now. Till this. We'll just continue. And who will tell me today? Tanvi.
ma'am, in study we will do project work.
Yes, Amma. Today also we'll just continue project. If you have done, we'll just have to write one more lesson notes. Now we'll write that. Tanvi, unmute, Amma.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Tell me about the previous lesson which we have done, Tanvi.
Ma'am, about deserts we learn, ma'am. There are three types of deserts: hot desert, temperate desert, cold desert.
Yes, enough, Tanvi. Alap, unmute. Alap.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me about hot desert. Tell me about hot desert. Hot or temperate desert? Not temperate. Temperate is the next one, no? Something is there. Hot or tropical. Hot or tropical desert. Alap, tell me about hot or tropical desert. Alap, are you there?
Ma'am,
Alap, tell me now.
hot desert are formed because the wind reach they fall
Don't read the text, Alap. Don't read the text. Just tell me what you understood. In your own words, you have to tell me, Alap. Do you or not?
Ma'am, there are less rainfalls, ma'am. Ma'am, there are in desert less rainfalls and
Ma'am, in the
Yes.
climate.
Let Krishnaraj speak. Let Krishnaraj speak. Krishnaraj,
ma'am,
tell me, ma'am. Hot deserts.
ma'am, it have less rainfalls and it have temperature from it have a
Where
hot
it is
from
located, Krishnaraj? Where it is located?
ma'am, in topic of cancer to
Near?
topic
Not in. Near. Near tropical Cancer, tropical
of
Capricorn. Yes. And next,
Ma'am,
we
it
have.
will fall less rains, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And no plants will found only cactus and some many plants.
Yes. That is
And
only.
there are no water.
Yes. And here, different types of deserts are there. 3 types of deserts we are having. Hot desert, temperate desert and cold desert also. As we have seen already, hot deserts are located in torrid zone near to the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. And here weather condition will be too hot, above 50 always. Daytime it will be less a little bit. And here we are having some examples also in our text. And next one is temperate desert. In temperate desert, we'll be having little less temperature, not like hot desert. It is little bit less temperature will be, but daytime it will be too hot, and night time it will be somewhat better only. And summer times it will be hot, and winter times it will be too cold. And coming to the cold deserts, here these cold deserts are found in poles. Arctic Circle, Antarctic Circle. So those circles are filled with snow always. So in these deserts also we can see snowfall always. These are the coldest deserts we can say. These are the cold deserts. The weather condition will be too cool in these deserts. This is what we have done already. And here now we are learning about hot desert children. In this lesson, our chapter name is hot desert. No? So we are learning about hot desert and how the climatic condition will be, how the plant life will be, and how human life will be, what they do in that hot deserts. All those things we learn today, children. And see, climatic condition of this hot desert. I'm not talking about temperate desert. I'm not talking about cold desert, children. We are talking about hot deserts only. Tropical deserts or hot deserts. Both are same. And see, here, as we seen already, here climatic condition will be too hot, children, and sun will be too hot. There will be no clouds in the sky. If we have some clouds in the sky, we can feel somewhat less sunrise, but here it is we can see no clouds, so it is too hot, children, in this hot desert. And thus daytime the deserts heat up rapidly, and moreover will be having sand everywhere in hot desert, no? So that it can be heats up very rapidly. They are saying that means quickly it will become a hot very quickly. And in night time sky is very clear and we can feel it little bit cooler, and it will cool also quickly. It will heats up quickly, it will cools up also, cools down also quickly, they are saying. And here one more important thing is temperature in hot deserts are among the highest in the world. And here we can feel the highest temperature. And as I told you already, these are the hottest, we said, hottest deserts. Hot deserts are the hottest deserts. So these are the high temperatures we can find in these hot deserts. During the daytime, it is generally very hot temperature and temperatures may soar up to 50 degrees. And but night time they drop quickly, rapidly means quickly to 10 degree Celsius they are saying. And another common feature of these deserts, is there is very little rainfall. In some deserts, Atacama does not rain for year. That means in Atacama we can find no rain also. On the whole, in this paragraph we have learned in hot deserts weather condition will be too hot. Daytime it will be too hot. Night time it will be too cool, we can say, children. And night time also here will be having 25 to 28 like this temperature will be having, but they'll be having 10 only 10 degrees Celsius they are having. That means daytime it will be too hot, night time it will be too cool. And here in these hot deserts, they can become, what they are telling, they can heat up very quickly, and that heat come down also very quickly, they cool down also very quickly, they are telling you. And daytime temperature will be 50 degrees, whereas coming to the night time it will be 10 degrees Celsius. And here no cloudy sky, we can see sky will be clear always, no clouds will be. Here and there in some deserts we can find some rain, and that too 10 to 25 centimeters rain only per year. Per 1 year we can see 10 to 25 centimeters rain only, and in some deserts there will be no rain also sometime. This is the weather condition of hot deserts or tropical deserts, children. I think you are clear. Are you clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Next. Yes. Next, you just see vegetation of these hot deserts. Vegetation means plant, children, plants. And in this weather condition,
Mostly there will no be any green leaves, ma'am, because there is no water at
water.
all, ma'am.
Yes. And see here vegetation means plant, children. The vegetation found in desert is adapted to withstand the extreme climate and scarcity of water. Scarcity means lacking. No water will be there, no? That is scarcity. If we have less things, we'll say scarcity. And here they are telling you we can find some plants, but those plants they can withstand the extreme climate. They can live with that climate also. Daytime extremely hot, nighttime extremely cool. With that climate also, all these plants which are there in the deserts, in those hot deserts, they can live. So that only they are growing there. And one more important thing is here, the plants which we can find in the hot deserts, there will be no leaves for them. There will be only thorns and some branches only. There will be no leaves mostly, because from the leaves only water will be evaporated mostly. So if they are having leaves, water will be evaporated more and they'll get dried. So those kinds of trees or plants can't grow in these hot deserts. Only trees which are having long roots, which are having thorns like this, only can grow in these hot deserts. And see here, most plants do not have leaves. and in their place they'll be having thorns, children. As I told you, they won't have leaves, because from the leaves only water will be evaporated more and more. Here in deserts they can't take any water. There'll be no water actually, and only some water they can get from the roots. Deep in the earth soil they'll be getting some water only, little bit of water. They have to live with that water only, so they won't evaporate. Water should not be evaporated out, so these plants will not be having any leaves. They'll be having only thorns, children. And some thick waxy coating also will be on the plant. If they have any leaves, if in case some trees are there, there with some leaves, they are having some leaves, how that leaves will be, how those leaves will be with a coating of wax. Some wax will be on that leaves, so that water will not be evaporated that easy. That kind of plants also can be grown in these hot deserts, children. And here,
wax means that,
don't you know
that
wax
candle,
means? Yes, yes,
candle will be with that only, no, ma'am?
yes, that is artificial. No, normal gummy like wax also will be. Naturally, it will come on the trees.
Yes, ma'am, it will be like sugar, ma'am, if you will see.
It will be in brown color only. It will be in brown and white colors. Sometimes it will be in white color. Some depending on the tree. Depending on the tree. Some trees it will be in brown colors. For some trees it will be in white color.
Ma'am, it will be inside of a tree, ma'am. If we will cut, we can see it, ma'am.
Not
Ma'am,
inside of
what
tree.
will
Not
be
inside
wax
of
to?
tree. It is not inside of tree. On the tree only it will be. If you go to villages, you can see, ask your grandparents, they can show you definitely.
Ma'am, what do this wax do?
Yes, Abhiram, I'll tell you. See here, in the hot deserts, if leafy plants are there, water will be evaporated very easy from that leaves. No, this wax will be coated on the leaves of those plants, so that from those leaves, water will not be evaporated that easy. They can store water there only, like that only. So that wax will be on the leaves of these plants which are there in hot deserts. Okay, Abhiram, are you clear? Yes. And see here. And these are some types of leaves, some types of plants. Some are with thorns, some are with waxy coating leaves, and some other also are there. You just see. Sometimes their leaves are spine-like, which protect them from animals. See, if tree is like this, no animal will come to this, and no animal can eat also leaves. Where are leaves? All are thorns only. No animal can come and eat these plants or trees, children. So they are like this. The stems are thick and fleshy, store water for plants. See, and this is the
Ma'am, and one
stem.
more thing it can use means it can store water and no people can cut the trees, ma'am.
Yes, and see here stem is there, no? In this stem also, in these stems also, they can store some water. These stems will be fleshy, that means big one stem. Big, fleshy means big one. They are very big ones, so that they are very fleshy, so that in those stems also, these trees can maintain some water. They can store some water in those stems also, so they can live for a long time. Mostly we find shrubs with small leaves and thorny bushes in desert, children. Shrub means here and there bushes will be, no, and with thorns, those are called. And here cactus, acacia and baobab are some of the trees, some of the examples. These trees only can grow in the deserts. And here Boyabab tree, this is the maybe they are showing. I also didn't see now. Still now, I'm also seeing it just now only. Why Tanvi is laughing?
Ma'am, Reshma is showing someone, ma'am.
What, Reshma? Don't do all those things in class, no. This is the boabab tree and it is with thorns with a fleshy stem also. And see here. The boabab tree is also known as bottle tree and is found in Kalahari Desert in Africa. And the trunk of this tree is like a barrel and in that only it will store some water. And this is what is called boabab tree and this trunk is big one. No, it is like a bottle they are saying and here only it can store some water and so that it can be there in the forest, sorry, desert. This is the plant life, children. And if you have any doubts, I'll clarify with this. Only thing is, I'll just revise what we have done already. I'll just revise plant life of these deserts. Here, some plants only can grow in deserts and those plants they can live for the extreme climate conditions also and daytime it will be extremely hot, night time it will be extremely cool. In that weather condition also these plants or trees can withstand, that means they can grow, they are habituated to that weather condition so they can grow there also. And see here only thorny plants or trees we can see in the deserts mostly. There will be no leaves on the trees because if they have leaves and water will be evaporated from the leaves only mostly. If they are having some leaves already that weather condition will be too hot daytime. For that all the water will be evaporated. So just to not get dried, they'll be having no leaves on the trees. In the place of leaves, they'll be having mostly thorns, children. This is the one type of tree. And another one is some trees, they'll be having some leaves also. Even in the desert, they are growing. They'll be having some leaves also. But how those leaves will be? Those leaves will be coated with a wax. Those leaves are coated with wax so that water will not be evaporated more. So they can live happily with that water. That is the some other type. And some other trees will be. And how those trees will be? They are having big trunks, big stems and in that fleshy or
Ma'am,
big
cactus
stems
will
they can
be-
store. Yes,
Ma'am, if we touch cactus, we will get blood, ma'am.
yes, thorns will be no. Yes, and here some other tree also is there. Here we are having one picture, no, boya tree, and like that we'll be having some trees. Those trees are having big fleshy trunks. In that trunks, they can store so much water and they use whenever they want. Like that, all these trees are living in that, growing in that hot deserts also. These are the trees we can see in hot deserts. This is the plant life. Are you clear with plant life, children?
Yes, ma'am. Sahara
Yes,
Desert
ma'am, like
is
Sahara
very hot desert.
desert, hard desert, like that desert, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, Sahara Desert, ma'am. It is hot desert only.
Yes. And one more point we
Ma'am,
forgot
Sahara
here.
Desert is the largest desert in the world, ma'am.
Yes, and see here, one more point I just missed here, and see, and this baobab tree, it can store 1,000 liters of water, 1,000 liters of water in its stem here. Stem is there, no? It is like a bottle, they said. This tree can store 1,000 liters. It's so great, na? We never see these kinds of trees.
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
ma'am, it's
Yes.
like an amazing fact.
Ma'am, with
Yes,
that we can
yes.
drink water.
Huh? If you cut that tree, you'll get water, huh, Krishnaraj? Whenever you go to Sahara Desert or Thar Desert, when you go there, if you didn't get water, you just find out that baobab tree and you just cut it up. But it is not there in Sahara and Thar. It is there in where it is? Kalahari Desert. You go to Kalahari Desert and find out baobab tree, cut it and have water.
Krishna Raj, for water you don't go to the desert.
First, we had to go to Africa. After that, we'll go to Kalahari Desert. Hmm? Yes, Amma? Vilvanada.
Ma'am, first she needs to get a visa, ma'am.
Yes.
For visa, we should go.
When you go, you please take us also. Our 50A class along with teacher. Okay,
Ma'am,
Krishnaraj? Okay, just for fun. Yes.
I want to.
See, animal life. Still now we have seen weather condition, we have seen plant life also, and now we'll see animal life also. And these are the different things you can see, no? You can see pictures na here. Scorpion and gerbil. What is this gerbil? It's like a rat.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, they are calling it as robo. Yes. See,
For animals,
Ma'am, that too
different
without
kinds are
hands.
coming, ma'am.
without hands, I can see. I'll see. Yes, Amma. Yes.
very long
Hey,
legs.
no, here it is,
Very
na?
long legs.
See, Abhiram, here it is.
Yes, ma'am. Very small.
Very small
Ma'am,
ones,
the
but
so small, ma'am. Jarbo is like half rat, half hamster.
yes, 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 yes. Let me move up and we'll see.
Has very long legs.
Yes, and see here. There are many types of animals and insects. These are the animals and these are the insects which we can find in the deserts, hot deserts, children. And wildlife, that means wildlife means what, children? Wildlife means
Animal life, ma'am.
animal
Wild
life.
animal life.
Wild animal life,
Wild
that is not a domestic animals, they are wild animals which live in forest, not at towns or cities. Domestic means cows.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, which we take in our farms and we will give
Yes,
them food, ma'am.
yes, that
Ma'am,
is
can I
there.
tell one thing?
Yes,
They are domestic animals.
Ma'am, if scorpion bites, it's like snake bite only, ma'am.
yes, 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 Amma,
yes.
yes, I know. And we are having different kinds of scorpions actually. And this black one is the dangerous one.
Ma'am, it is
What
so
will it do,
poisonous,
ma'am?
ma'am.
Ma'am, it is like crab only, ma'am.
It is like crab only,
it
but
will
it
give
will.
Scorpion.
Yes, scorpion.
Scorpion.
Yes, it is.
Ma'am,
scorpion.
it will bite with its tail, ma'am.
Yes,
With its
Amma.
tail.
Yes, Amma. Yes, sir. It won't bite anything. It won't bite anything. And I'll just show you 1 second. Can you see? Yes, it won't bite.
mornings and will ma'am, it's like when we take a pencil and put like pinch on our like.
Yes,
If
here
you
one
wanna
thorn
do-
is there now, Vishwa.
Not pencil.
Can you see? Can you see a thorn here? Thorn like
Ma'am,
yes.
super
With
dangerous.
this, yes, with this, it will just hit like this, and it will insert that pin like is there, no thorn like. It will insert into our body, and here will be poison. Here will be poison. It will go into our body, and it is very dangerous. Never touch them.
Ma'am, it has 8 legs.
Yes.
8 legs.
Yes,
Ma'am,
Amma. Yes, Amma. Yes, Amma, Geetika. Let me continue. And see here, many animals and insects also we can find in hot desert, children. And here, hyenas, foxes, jaguars, and what is this?
Why, ma'am, highness will be, ma'am?
Why hyenas will be means I can't tell you anything. They are habituated to be there and they are living there. Why you are being in Bilvanada?
Ma'am, how can they get food? Because hyenas are dry animals, ma'am.
Yes, and how you are living in
Hyenas
Hyderabad?
will
Because
hunt with group of people, ma'am.
okay, hyena will hunt with
Group of people.
Group, ma'am.
Group.
as a group of hyenas.
Yes, ma'am.
Hyenas they'll be in group and they hunt. You are saying?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I don't know. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. In Lion King movie it is there.
Okay.
Ma'am, if lion is single, then all hyenas will come and will hunt.
Oh, I to watch that movie. Lion King. I to watch that movie. It's nice. Yes, let me continue. Time is running out.
Documentary.
Yes.
Continue.
Yes. Let me continue. Yeah, time is running out. It's 21 already. 9 minutes we are having. Let us continue. And see here, different kinds of animals we have seen. No, all these and different insects, scorpions, spider, all these insects and animals. They are living in hot desert, children. And here, some of these animals, they sleep daytime and they come out nighttime and they enjoy the weather, because daytime it will be too hot now, so that this just to escape from the hot.
Ma'am, they want to avoid heat and they want to come to cool.
Yes,
Cold
they want to avoid that extreme hotness in the daytime. They just sleep. At night time they come out and they have their food and they enjoy the weather. Most important and useful animal is the camel in the desert. And here, this camel is also called as ship of the desert. It is having one more name, that is ship of the desert, children. Ship of the desert. It is very
And there are
easy.
some types of camels.
The point I wrote
Yes.
in project, ma'am.
Yes, very good, Amma. Let me continue. And here, this camel is very useful for the people, and because here this camel is having all the features. With that, it can walk in that sand, in that hot sand. Sand also will be too hot now, and for that
Ma'am,
heat
it
also
can store water also, ma'am.
Yes.
Also.
Yes, it can walk in that hot sun also it can walk, and moreover these people, yes,
It is called ship of the desert.
yes,
there will be sand squirrels.
But how can some people survive in the desert?
they'll be near oasis, not just like that. Oasis means place where we get water in desert is called oasis, and nearby that oasis only people will live. Okay. Yes, let me continue. At least we'll complete this paragraph.
Nile desert, lo, ma'am.
Yes. Let me continue. Let me continue. Please be muted, children. Please be muted. Let me continue. And see here, this camel is very useful for the people who are living in desert, because it can walk happily without any difficulty in the sand also, and it can have so much load on it. That means heavy loads it can carry, because people, let me continue, because people in these deserts, they live nearby oases, and if the water is over there, they just shift one place to another place. While they are shifting, they need camel. They put everything on the top of camel, on the back of camel, and they just move to the some other place. Like that, they can just use this camel. And here they are just describing the camel also here. And see here,
deserts Egypt used to be, ma'am. Egypt.
yes, it can store water in the stomach. Thus, it can survive without any water for so many days. Almost 15 to 20 days without water, it can survive, children. Camel, 15 to 20 days. And here, this camel can store some water and food in its hump so that it can live for 15 to 20 days without any food and water also. And here, the camel can store food in its hump
30 days also.
in the form of fat. It has thick padded feet with long legs which help to walk in the sand. It is having long legs.
Ma'am,
With that, it
Ma'am,
can
it
walk
has
like
long legs because when it will fall inside the sand, but the upper part of its body will be up of the sand only.
Yes, yes. And it is having long legs also. With that, it can walk very easy in the sand also. And eyelids also, its eyelids also will be long. And they can protect from the sandstorms also. In the deserts, we get sandstorms, no? Like a wind we are getting
legs
here.
will be like harsh legs, ma'am.
Yes, here we are getting wind, normal wind will be getting in the same way in deserts they'll be getting sandstorms. From that, this camel has to protect itself, so it will be having long eyelids also. And here also its small ears and nostril and ears also will be too small, so no sand will enter into those ears and nostrils also. It has tough and strong lips and jaws also. And here it is having tough and strong lips because and in these deserts they'll be having only thorny bushes or thorny trees only, and this camel it has to eat those thorns only, so its lips will be strong so that it can eat this thorns and it can live, children. This is about camel. Let me revise once again. Here in the deserts, we can find different kinds of animals and insects also. Here one important animal is the camel. It is also known as sheep of the desert. This camel is very useful for the people who are living in this desert, children, because this camel can walk easily with its long legs in the sand, and it is having different eyelids to protect from the sandstorms, and it is having strong lips also to eat the thorns. And one more important thing is it can store so much water in its hump, food and water, so that it can live for so many days without any food and water. That is why they are using camel mostly. They prefer camel mostly who are living in the deserts. This is what I try to tell you. I think you are clear. Now you can share your views. Whatever you are trying to tell me, I stopped many students. No,
Ma'am, in Hyderabad, in our India, only some people can't live. How can they live in desert?
Ma'am, time I have
Because of the
traveled on
sun heat.
camel, ma'am.
yes, actually what happens is here we are habituated to live in Hyderabad. We are habituated with the weather condition of Hyderabad, so we feel comfortable here. And if you go to Chennai, their weather condition will be somewhat different. If we go there, we feel that suffocation.
Ma'am, in
Why
Chennai,
this?
everything is coconut oil, ma'am. Coconut oil mixed.
Not Chennai, that is Kerala. Yes.
Ma'am, with camel with
So much sunlight, ma'am. Ma'am, there will be so much sunlight.
Yes. If we habituate. If we habituate to the weather condition, actual thing is, if we habituate with the weather condition, we also can live, but we are not habituated. We born and brought up in this weather condition only, so that we are feeling how they will live there. They born and brought up in that condition only, they can live.
Ma'am, can I read what I wrote in the project?
Yes, Tanvi,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me, ma.
Ma'am, can I read what I wrote in my project?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, one more.
The camel is a large animal in a desert. It is known as the sheep of the desert. It can live for several days without food and water. It has a large stomach, so it can store enough food and water for several days. It has padded feet, which help it to walk and run on the sand.
Okay, ma, very good. Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
when we go to Amazon rainforest, we can see all the animals, ma'am, big lizards.
Yes, yes, yes. Let me
And
stop
we
here.
can see Komodo dragons also, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, some
white dragons
places
will
are
be
too, ma'am,
in
some
big
places are
animals,
too
pink color
dangerous to
dolphins.
survive.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Thank
in the Amazon, pink dolphin also will be, ma'am. Pink color
Pink
dolphin.
dolphin.
Yes, ma'am.
You'll be seeing except textbook, you'll see everything, no? Except textbook. Whenever I say open social textbook, you'll be asking for page number. Ma'am, which page? Ma'am, which page? Like that, you'll be shouting. But you know which color is that Amazon rainforest animal will be. All those you know. Very good anyway. Anyway, you are having some knowledge, na? That's good. Thank you for today, children. Thank you for today. Have a nice day, all of you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Be
Bye,
fast.
ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, bye. Have a nice day, children. Leave all of you. Krishnadas, Ritik, Harsha, Sukumar, Rishika. Nowadays, I'm not getting at all Sukumar voice. He is not speaking. I don't know why. Sukumar?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, nowadays you are not speaking at all. I'm not getting at all your voice. Once in a class also. Why? Are you not feeling well?
No, ma'am. I just have a little bit of fever and cough.
Okay, no problem. Take care. Rishika, leave, mama.